An seachtain seo tá méid ag fearlam an bríthar éirigh, to get up. And the theme of our spellings is on time. So we're going to conjugate verbs into the past tense, an aimsir caite, the present tense, an aimsir láithreach, and the future tense, an aimsir áisteanach. And if you look there at the man, he's in the past, the present, and the future. An aimsir caite, past tense. Dairg me, I got up. Dairg tú, you got up. Dairg sé, he got up. Dairg she got up. Dairg mar, we got up. Dairg shiv, ye got up. Dairg siad, they got up. Éirigh, níor éirigh. An aimsir láithreach. Irene, I get up. Irene tú, you get up. Irene sé, he gets up. Irene she gets up. Irene mid, we get up. Irene shiv, ye get up. Irene siad, they get up. An Irene, ní Irene. An aimsir áisteanach. I rowi me, I will get up. I rowi tú, you will get up. I rowi sé, he will get up. I rowi she will get up. I row mid, we will get up. I rowi shiv, ye will get up. I rowi siad, they will get up. An I rowi, ní I rowi. Now our spellings are on the theme of time. So a clog, o'clock. Cathrú tar éis a, quarter past. Lahúr tar éis a, half past. Cathrú conna, quarter to. A ní, 9. A de, 10. A haindig, 11. And you fit these time into the time phrases. So if you want to say quarter past 11, cathrú tar éis a haindig. So 12, we either have man lay, which is midday, or man iha, which is midnight, to prevent any confusion. Structure aberta. So how do we write these sentences? Dairg, aber, agus an tam. Irene, aber, an tam. I rowi, aber, an tam. So remember, aber is the subject, me, to, Sheila, and Madra, and an tam is the time, ag maniha, ag cathrú tar éis a de. Mar hampla, dairg me ag lahúr tar éis a ní. I got up at 9:30. I rowi shiv ag maniha. You will get up at midnight. Irene tú ag a hain a clog. You get up at 11 o'clock. Agus tá mé déanta, we're done.